Hi everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota. This afternoon I'm going to show you our 2017 Corolla IM. This of course is Toyota's hatchback. It's one of our very own vehicles, was completely serviced here. Just around the 54,000 kilometer mark. Has extended warranty until June of 2022 or 100,000 kilometers, so lots of warranty left. And this vehicle comes with a few extras such as the winter tires and rims. Come a little closer and I'll show you that it does have block heater built in, 17-inch tires, those are the aluminum winter tires, power folding mirrors, open things up here, it's cloth interior with heated front seats, Bluetooth, dual climate control. It does have lane departure alert where it'll warn you if you drift out of your lane. It does have the pre-collision system where it brakes for you in an emergency. We'll move to the back here. You can see there's lots of leg room. It is a 60-40 split, so if you do need to pop one of the or both of the seats down for a little more room. Backup camera right there. I'll open this up so you can see how much room is in here. The tonneau cover, of course, right here will come off. We'll open this up, show you a little bit of cargo space in there, and then you get the spare tire right under here. So that's our 2017 Corolla IM. If you're looking for a little bit smaller vehicle, but still 5 doors, this is the vehicle for you. If you'd like to book a test drive or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota. Thanks for watching and stay safe.